In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Canva. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to get a closer look at the details of your design or pull back to see the full layout, all without changing the actual size of your project. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the main editing canvas. This is the space where your elements, text, and images appear. Take a moment to make sure you're in the editor view, not in a presentation or preview, so all the interface controls are visible. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a thin vertical bar that holds several options. Within that bar is the zoom control, which includes a slider you can drag. This slider is the fastest way to change how close you are to your design. Click and hold the slider handle, then drag it to adjust the zoom level. As you drag, watch the canvas change size in real time. You'll also notice a percentage indicator updating as you move the slider, which helps you land on specific levels like 75%, 100%, or 200%. If you want to zoom in for precision work, like aligning icons or fine-tuning text spacing, drag the slider toward a higher percentage until the details look clear and comfortable to edit. If you need a broader view to judge spacing, balance, or overall composition, drag the slider the other way to zoom out and see more of your page at once. Small, gentle movements give you subtle adjustments, while larger drags move quickly through the range. A helpful habit is to check your design at 100% before you finish. That view shows you a true-to-size preview of how your audience will likely see it. Keep in mind, zooming only changes what you see on your screen. It doesn't alter the actual dimensions or export quality of your design. If you don't immediately see the slider, make sure your browser window isn't too cramped and that you're not in a full preview. Expanding the editor area usually reveals the controls along the bottom right bar. Also, note that interface themes can shift slightly, but the zoom slider remains in that same general area. And that's it. Open your project. Head to the thin vertical bar at the bottom right, click the slider, and drag to zoom in or out until your canvas looks just right. Practice a few times, and you'll find your ideal zoom levels for both detailed editing and big picture reviewing in no time.